This is Harry Bogle, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. COVID border closures. Now, we all understand that when this shit first started, we had to sort the borders out and it was right to close them off. But now, with so much progress, we've got these divisive demigod premiers, as in Mark McGowan, Palaszczuk and Daniel Andrews, on some crazed power trip, refusing, on compassionate grounds especially, and normal standard grounds, to open their borders as they stand alone and do nothing to act as an Australian community and as one. And in fact, all they're doing is holding up the process. Well, listen, Australia, when this is over, teach these bloody idiots a lesson and stay out of their godforsaken bloody states and travel to the Territory, New South Wales, South Oz or Tasmania and teach these bastards a lesson. Bloody idiots. This is Harry Bogle.